One of the pieces of equipment that causes us the most issues at Dowco are these hedge trimmers. The blades move back and forth and can be a really big cutting hazard for your legs, your hands. And so there are a few key things that we want to know when using these to protect ourselves. One, often things will get jammed in the blades. We never want to clean out the blades without the motor being completely off. We want to completely shut it down before we remove any debris. Two, we always want to be cutting away from us. We never want to bring that back towards us. And then we want to keep that trimmer below our head bump. Anytime we're up here, that's a danger of a slip and bring it right into our face. And that's a for sure cut going to happen there. Also, we always want to wear our safety glasses when operating this piece of equipment. With the blades moving back and forth, it has a tendency to throw things in multiple directions, and you can easily get something lodged in your eye, and then it becomes a real serious issue when you can't see. I'm going to review quickly the starting procedure for this, and this will translate across any piece of two-cycle equipment. Most of these are going to have a trigger here, or a button here on the back end that we're going to want to push to the on position. When starting it cold, we're going to start from choke. We're going to prime the primer bulb, which in this case is located between the fuel tank and the carburetor, and we're going to prime that 3 or 4 times till the bulb starts to stiffen up on you. We're going to go ahead and give that a pull. We got that pop on the first time on this one. Sometimes you'll have to pull it a couple times and then you'll hear kind of a pop. After you hear that pop, we want to switch it over to the choke being off, and then give it another couple pulls. Should fire right up. You can see how those blades move back and forth and how dangerous this can be if not operated correctly. The other thing that we tend to run into when we're operating this is not only cutting away from ourselves, but not cutting towards one of our crew members. So if you guys are teaming up and cutting grasses together, we need to make sure that our legs are clear and that we know where everyone's hands, fingers, and legs are so that we avoid cutting one of our crew members or ourselves.